Hey everyone, today we're going to take a look at another case for the LG V60. This is from Poetic, and it's probably one of the better well-known case makers aside from the Ghost Tech that I got made for the LG V60. And unlike the other ones that you probably never heard of, like my Osofter and the Rife's carbon fiber, this does have a military specification or military spec rating for drop protection. So let's just open it up. And actually, for a better well-known case maker, it's actually pretty cheap. At least it's under $10. It's like $9.95 the last time I checked on Amazon. So it comes in this white plastic bag that you tear open, and then you get the box. And here it is. It says Poetic here on the front, with some patterns, and Poetic on the sides. And then here again on the back is the model of the case, or for the V60. And it only comes in black the last time I checked. I wish there were other colors, but this has that carbon fiber look too, but it's only on the sides. But what you're getting is that military grade spec certification, so you know it's going to be guaranteed protection. So I guess has this plastic inside covering the case, and then here it is, the case itself. And see, this one feels more rigid and sturdy than the other carbon fiber case that I previously got. And see, inside here you get these patterns, and then see you have that drop protection right there. Military standard drop protection, A10G. So I think standard military drop protection, it's like they do like 21 drops from 3 feet or something like that. And then they have even higher drop ratings from like 6 and then 9 or 10 feet. All like doing 21 or more drops per testing. Okay, so let's just see how the fit is, right? Pop the phone into the case. And it seems pretty tight, probably because I also have the that skin. But as you can see here from just checking out the sides, there's barely any like give. So it's pretty tight on the sides too. Much better than the clear cases or the other case that I have, which means it's gonna prevent lint or dust and debris from getting inside the case, which shouldn't be a problem because it's not a clear case. You won't be able to see the lint or the debris in the back. And so here is the carbon fiber pattern right here, as you can see. So the part that's non-carbon fiber, it's smooth. So looking closer at the back, as you can see, the smooth part almost has that look of like gravel or some kind of like, yeah, like a metallic look. And this smooth part right here, with that smooth side, it's a little slippery, but it's not like you're going to be holding this. But it's going to look like it's going to be very resistant to fingerprints and oils and smudges and stuff like that. And then the carbon fiber part right here has like almost like a 3D look to it, as you can see. I wonder if there's plastic on this. Doesn't seem like it. It's real pretty nice. So yeah, I just wish there was other colors. Like they could have kept the black carbon fiber, but probably put like blue here or some other colors. And right here on the bottom, you can see the Poetic name on the case. And the sides have these ridges right here to give you better grip, which is nice, because most rigid or semi-rigid cases, like with that are TPU or polycarbonate, are like this part here on the smooth is pretty slippery. So they put the ridges here to give you better grip, which is nice. Okay, and then since we are still here in the back, you have this pattern right here and this part right here, which seems like it lifts a little bit. Does it? Not really. But then here on the back, you also have extra lip to protect your camera lens. I don't know how much lip it is, or if it's more so than my other cases. Just because of the color black, it probably doesn't look like there's probably as much lip, but there is plenty. If you guys don't know, if you want to look slimmer, wear black. The lighter the colors are, the bigger or bulkier you look. At least that's what they say in fashion. Anyways, here on the sides, let's see, the microphone hole lines up pretty well. Not like the other case that I got, the Rifes, which didn't line up too well, but at least they weren't covered. And then you have your volume keys right here, and it's clearly marked plus and minus. And right here is your Google button, but there's no Google logo, which is fine. You know what that is anyways. And then going to the other side, the right hand side, you see your power button with the power symbol right there. And then here up top is your cutout for the lone microphone up top. And then going towards the bottom, we have your headphone jack, your USB-C, your other microphone, and your speakers are all pretty good. They're all lined up. And see, that's what the good thing with these better well-known brands, they will have more precise cutouts. Okay, we're going to test the power button. Here we go. So power key is good to go. Very responsive. Let's test out the Google button. Google button. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke. Anyways, that's going to be in my review. There's sometimes Google does not respond to my Google. Tell me a joke. See? Anyways, the Google button does work. Let's try out the volume. Going from volume up first. So volume buttons are good, very responsive. And you can hear how clicky they are. Actually, all the buttons are clicky. Let's see, Google. As you can see, or hear, power. So all the buttons are nice and responsive and very clicky, so that's good. Oh, so that is that for the buttons. Let's test out the ports first and then wireless charging. So right here is a fatter cable for my fast charger, my Samsung fast charger, 40 watt fast charger, something like that. And so you guys can see the difference between the regular charger and the fast charger. You see how much thicker the fast charger is. So let's test it out. So if this works, the other one's going to work. And it does work, as you can see. Fast charging is good to go. Let's test out the headphone jack. So first up, I always like to test with my Fostech cable, because the Fostech cable has this notch right here. That's and it's a fatter cable, and then the plug right here is not that long as some other plugs. So you can really tell if the cutout is good to go. And see, yeah, this won't work either because of the short plug and because of the notches. So I'm going to grab this, which is also has a short plug just like the Fostech. but it's an extender. Let's see if that works. Because if these work, then your normal plugs will work. And I think it's, whoops. Let's see. Did the no, it did not come on. So it does not work with any of them, with those. Let's just test it out with a normal plug. Okay, so this is more of a normal plug right here. As you can see, it's got a longer plug, and but it's still kind of fat here on the ends. So let's see. And this one works. As you can see right here, the hi-fi status will go on. If I unplug it, hi-fi status will come out. See, plug it back in, you can hear it snap into place, and hi-fi status goes back on. So as long as you're using a somewhat normal plug, it'll work. So the cutouts are good to go as far as the ports. Let's test out wireless charging and then wrap up. Okay, so we have my Samsung fast charger. Let's put the phone onto the charger, and there you go. It is charging. And say fast charging. Yep, charging is good. Let's check it out in landscape. And landscape is good. Let's try upside down again. And that time is good. But on a shorter phone, as you can see, it works like on this V35 that I have. But for a taller phone like the LG, that time it worked. I guess it just depends on where I place it. Let's try that again. One more time. Okay, now it does work. And let's try the other side for landscape. No. No. Give it some time. Here we go. Okay, so that side works too. So no problem. Not like you're going to, most of the times you're probably going to put it here in landscape, normal landscape. And it does work. It does work. Yeah, it is. It's charging. It's just not popping up for some reason afterwards. As you guys can see, it is charging wirelessly. Although it probably never seems to say it. So no problem with wireless charging on the case. And one more thing we haven't checked is the front. Is there extra lip protection for the front? Yes, there is. As you guys can see, all around, bottom, all the sides, extra lip, top, extra lip, bottom, extra lip. So that's good to go. So that is our look at this Poetic Karbon Shield case for the LG V60. And like I said, you can get it on Amazon for $9.95. And at the time that I got it, I think it came with the extra 5% off coupon, which is like probably 50 cents off. But still, it's money saved, right? Whether it's 50 cents, a penny, a dollar, whatever. And so if you guys are interested in this case, please use the link in my description, as it does help out my channel and my charity, the Wounded Warrior Project. All around a good case. It's a thin case, doesn't add extra bulk. I mean, the LG is a bulky phone anyways, but it doesn't add extra bulk on top of your bulky LG V60. And it's got good feel in the hands with these ridges right here on the sides. Very good, very grippy. One of the better grip cases. I think the best grips on any of my LG cases so far, which is now this and the Ghost Tech. I have 4 cases, so the Ghost Tech and this have the best grip on the sides for a non-slip feel. Then the next one for grip is my Osofter clear case, and then the Rife's carbon fiber case, design case. So that is it. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.